Hi, I hope you guys doing really well. Welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add review option in the Wix website. First of all, you can see we are on our edit panel in Wix store, and in here you need to click on add action. Where you click on the add action, there is a add elements. You can add your elements through this option, or you can add your elements by click on the left corner in top side. In here, once you click on, you will find out the strip option after 3 elements. So once you click on stripe, you have furthermore option classic, feature, about, service, contact, and also welcome testimonial. And in here you need to be click on testimonials. In here, when you click on testimonials, you will have furthermore option. You can select this one, you can select this one. You have more option you want to take it from here. So I will just click on this one. It is looking really great for me. So in here, once you click on the element, it will be pasted in here. In here you can do anything you want. You can change the background color, you can manage the columns, like you have the full access right now, or you can add more column. Also, if you want to change the image, just click over here, and here is the option change image. Also, you have the option to edit image. I will just change the image, so I will click over here and it will be redirect to my file option. So I will upload a new image from my computer. Just click over here, and there is a passport size picture for business woman, and I will upload it to my folder. So right now you can see our image has been uploaded. So I will hit in the choose image button, so my image will be changes here. So right now I can edit my image also. In here, when I will click, they will give me to this studio. In here you can do anything you want. You have great options here, so explore this with your own. So right now I don't want to export, so I will click on the save. Then I will change the name. I will give a name that is Mahima, and this is the name of my reviewer name. And here you can share your review also, and in this way you can change for the two option, or also you can add more column here. So just click on layout, and you can see that it will be left corner right. You can choose anything you want, so you have the full authority to change anything in over here. I hope so you already find out your solution, and you can do it your own right now. And last not on the list, if you found out this video it's really helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, and also I will tell you to comment on the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.